Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw SafePal wallet to your bank account. So first of all, you need to understand that SafePal is a non-custodial wallet, meaning that if it doesn't directly support the bank accounts. However, you can withdraw your funds by transferring them to a centralized exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, and then you can cash out to your bank account. So from there, if you want to do it, you need to simply launch your SafePal wallet. And here on the homepage, you will see the send option. So you need to simply tap on that send. And here in this list, you will see all of the assets that you can basically send over. So here, you need to simply tap on the option of the particular asset which you want to send. So for example, if you want to send USDT, so you need to simply tap on that and it will ask you to provide the deposit address. So in order to get the address, you need to simply launch your exchange. So it can be Binance, Bybit, Coinbase, and etc. So for this video, I'm going to launch the Bybit account. So after launching it, you need to tap on the assets tab, the bottom, and then tap on deposit. Now here you tap on deposit crypto option and you need to simply search for USDT since that's what we're going to be transferring. So after searching for USDT, you will be able to simply find it and you just have to click on it and select the network. And now after selecting the network, you will see the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you just have to copy it and from here, go back to your SafePal wallet and paste the address in this section right here. So on the next page, you need to simply enter the amount and confirm the transaction. Then you need to wait for the transaction to be processed, and it definitely depends on the network speed, but it may take up to 5 to 10 minutes. So once you received your money in your exchange, in my case, I will be receiving it in my Bybit account. So from Bybit account, you can easily sell your crypto with the help of P2P. So you can get your money in your bank account. For that, you need to come to the home page and tap on the more option. Then you need to simply search for P2P. And then after searching for P2P, you need to tap on it and select the sell option right here. Now, after selecting a merchant, you can sell your USDT to them and you can receive the money in your Bybit currency. So in your bank account, you just directly have to send or withdraw it to your bank account. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!